Thank you. Stay with your eyes closed, deeply relaxed, deep asleep. By the way, he gave me permission to lay him on the floor. He said it was okay. All right, my friends, I'm going to go around to each one of you. I'm going to push your hands down, say the word sleep. The moment I do, your eyes close, your head drops down, you go deep asleep, loose limp like a rag doll, just like the people we already put to sleep, but you're going to stay in your chair. When I put you to sleep, your hands come right apart, you fly apart, and you feel so good, it's like instant relief. Feeling good. Excellent. All the way down. Feeling so good. I'm going to help you go even deeper into this beautiful, beautiful state. You're not asleep. You're also not awake. You're so relaxed.